Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Lara Translate with WordFast Anywhere, so you can enhance your translations using AI-powered support directly inside your CAT tool. Lara Translate is an advanced AI translation tool built for professionals. It helps you translate text and documents accurately and efficiently, with support for the world's most spoken languages and a wide range of file formats. Lara also offers customizable styles to fit your content needs, whether you're working on technical manuals, creative content, or general documents. To ensure consistency across your projects, use glossaries management to define and enforce key terminology. And when clarity matters, contextual information lets you add notes to reduce ambiguity and improve translation accuracy even further. It's GDPR compliant and ISO certified, making it a reliable choice for teams and individuals alike. By integrating Lara into WordFast Anywhere, you bring smarter, faster translation suggestions right into your workflow. Lara improves context recognition, reduces post-editing time, and helps maintain consistency in tone and terminology, especially across large projects. Here's how to set it up. First, log in to your WordFast Anywhere account. Go to Setup, click on the AI tab, and click Add AI Engine. From the drop-down, select Lara as your AI engine. Next, enter your Lara Access Key ID and Access Key Secret. You'll find these in your Lara account dashboard. Run the automated test. If successful, Lara is now active. Save the changes and you're ready to go. Once the integration is complete, you can start translating immediately. Lara will provide instant AI-powered suggestions right inside WordFast Anywhere, optimized for your selected style and language pair. Need support? Visit our help center at support.laratranslate.com. To try Lara Translate or get an API key, go to laratranslate.com/translate. And if you have questions, reach out to us directly at gtm@laratranslate.com. Thanks for watching, and happy translating with Lara Translate.